Hi, it's Raj. This is the unboxing and quick look of the GM Modular 3045 square 3-pin extension box. So, let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So, I bought this product from Amazon India for a price of 329 rupees. It has got a 4-meter cable, an indicator with switch, and is suitable for all types of plugs around the world. Moreover, the design and the double colors makes it attractive. So, let's take it out. It's rated 6 amps 240 volt. It has got a 3-pin plug rated at 10 amps 240 volt and a 4-meter long cable rated 240/440 volt. The cable is long enough for household extension purposes. Now let's test the extension box. It seems everything is fine. It's better if you test it with a multimeter for continuity and short circuit so that you won't blow a fuse. Now, if you look carefully, the sockets are placed in a depressed surface, and this design makes it difficult to insert bigger 2-pin adapters in the side sockets. So you will have to insert them in the 3-pin socket. However, regular 2-pin plugs will fit snugly in the side sockets. This design flaw is there in most of the GM extension boxes. However, one specific model, that is the G-Magic 3245, has a better design, but it has got only a 2-pin plug, that is no earthing. Overall, the 3045 is an okay product. You can find the links of the products I mentioned in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.